Goodbye, my dear. Remember to lock the door carefully at home. We will be back tomorrow.
We remember. Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye, Mom.
Here we are, number 42. Hello, it's the pizza delivery. Anyone home? Here I come.
Wait a second.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you. Here is the money.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy our pizza.
Wow, it smells so good. What is that, Tom? It smells like a delicious pizza.
It's our pizza. Mom and Dad ordered it for us.
Wow, let's eat it for our dinner in the living room.
It's a beautiful evening for a walk, and the air is crisp.
It certainly is. Look at those stars coming out.
Wow, it has tomatoes and sausages. Come and eat, Tom. Wow, this pizza is so good.
Nice. I'm feeling that today is my lucky day. This house looks like a treasure to me.
Mom and Dad will not come home today. So after eating, we have to clean ourselves.
Now, where is the money? Look what I have here. Look what I have here. This bag is useful, but I can use it to steal more stuff.
Let me find something to eat first.
So many foods here. I will not have to go to the store to buy food tomorrow anymore. Nice snacks. I will take some of these.
This is so good, but I'm so thirsty.
Anna, do you feel thirsty?
Yes, I do. Please take a glass of water for me, too. Okay, stay right there. I will take some juice for us. Thank you.
Wait, what are those?
Mom cleaned the house before she left. So this may be not from Dad's shoes.
Oh, no. I did not lock the doors. Someone broke in our house.
Let me see where those shoe prints lead to. Oh no, a thief! I must tell Anna about this. Anna, a thief broke into our house and is stealing stuff in the kitchen. Oh no. Okay, let me think. He broke into our house, so he might have seen us when he passed the living room to the kitchen. So I have an idea.
The kids are still watching TV. I will go upstairs and find more valuable stuff.
He's upstairs now. You set up the trap. I will call the police. Be careful, Tom. Hello? There is a thief inside our house. Please send someone here. We are very scared now.
Stay in a safe place, little girl. I'm on my way. Come with me. There is a thief in the house number 42.
I called the police. Let's hide. Don't let them see us. Did you lock the door of this room?
I locked the door. Don't worry. Let's wait for the police.
Whoa! Jewelry and some cash. Lucky me. I will be rich. What a treasure. Oh no. The police. Why do they come here?
My trap is working. Tom, they are here. We are safe.
Ouch! What are these? Who put them here? Look what we got here. Fine, I surrender. You are under arrest. All right, get inside. I'm Officer Jack. I know you are in there. Come outside. It's safe now.
You are so brave, and I'm glad that you are fine.
Thank you for saving us, Officer Jack.
Anna, you did great. You called us for help. But setting up a trap is not safe for you. You might be caught.
So, make sure it doesn't happen again.
Okay. I understand, Officer Jack. I will not do that again.
I think this bag belongs to your family. There are many snacks, jewelry, and money there.
Thank you, Officer Jack. I will give it back to my parents. Thank you, officers. Goodbye. This time, let me lock the door for you. Thank you, Anna.